Q135. It's time is now 6.
CSX Q135-07. Westbound 1 and 2, medium clear, point of rocks, local 103-1979.
It's time is
135.
Time is now 6:28 a.m. in the morning. I don't know how well this would come out, so it is 6:28 a.m. in the morning. So I did miss another westbound freight train. I was just coming on over 28 crossing. Something came off the old main. I just missed it. Came over here where I am now. I saw his tail end or ass end, depending how you want to look at it. So I missed that one. So I don't know who that was. So don't ask. I don't know. I wonder about something. I don't know about that part. Hopefully, it will get a little more lighter later on today. Like, no, it should be completely lighter by half hour. Okay, he's on a wire. I don't know if that's going to help. Southern's coming eastbound. Southern's coming on track 1. What's this coming on track 1? Ah, okay, it's a Marc. So you guys want? So you guys like, what the hell are you talking about? There you go. Yeah, that helps a little bit.
74 stop signal here, point of rocks, eastbound.
All red at point of rocks.
Looks like there's some empties coming up. Bill tables. Yep.
Y'all look good, y'all have a safe trip.
Yep. What he said. Alright, so right now. Oh, okay.
P874, medium clear here, Port Rocks, eastbound 1 to 2, right for Port Rocks, 110.
Medium clear, Bruce, Port Rocks, 7-4.
Georgia. I'm 80. Nice. What time is it? 6:35 a.m. Yeah, 2 for 1. You know what? The one westbound freight before 135. It's probably the Q371, I think. If it was, it won't be the first time I missed it. It won't be the last. Oops, sorry. Sorry. See me, guys. Early in the morning. Yeah, I decided to come over here today because it's been a while. It's been, I think, about a month now, I think. Maybe 2. Whatever the case it is, it's been a while since I've been to this is Point of Locks. As you guys noticed. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to meet the camera still the best I can.
Alright, let's go CIB Mark P874.
Nope, I heard a double. Beep beep. And there goes P874
clear at East Rock, eastbound 2
Oh, that was restricting. Don't know who that's for. I'll try to find out what the best I can. It's probably for the Marc, but I could be wrong. So let's see what happens.